எல்லாருக்கும் சுகமல்லே எல்லாருக்கும் சுகமல்லே I am very happy to be here in Kerala and I thank Indian Union Muslim League and Kerala State Muslim League Youth League President Syed Sadiq Ali Shihab Tangal Garu and VD Satishan Garu and Kunjali Kutti Garu MP E.T. Muhammad Bashir Garu and MP P.V. Abdul Wahab Garu and MP Samdani Garu and Youth President Syed Munawwarali Saheb Tangal Garu, P.K. Firoz Garu, General Secretary and Treasurer Ismail Garu, and my special thanks to K.C. Venugopal ji for guiding me here, and all other my brothers, MPs, MLAs and other leaders sitting here. Andarki namaskaralu and andarki namaskaralu. I am your sister Sitakka from Telangana. Some words for my life. In my childhood, I never thought I would be a Naxalite. When I was a Naxalite, I never thought I will become a lawyer. When I was a lawyer, I never thought I would be a MLA. When I was a MLA, I never thought I will finish my PhD. And now I became a cabinet minister in Telangana. Still, I am a student. I am studying my LLM in Usmania University, Hyderabad. This is my gun to pen journey. This is my life journey, gun to pen. I am now the minister which places see me as a Naxal. Same place I elected 3 times as a MLA. Now all people are calling me Dr. Dhanasari Anasuya Sitakka. Dhanasari is my surname. Anasuya is my, this name named me my parents, and Sitakka is named from Naxal's movement. Public, this name is given in that movement. Akka means sister. During my journey, I saw many cruel acts of Jamindar, feudalist landlords,